Merry Christmas everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread men. The first thing you'll need to do is measure out 2.5 ounces of butter into a mixing bowl, along with 3 ounces of light brown sugar, and then cream everything together either by hand or with a mixer until it's light and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon of treacle or molasses, along with 2 tablespoons of golden syrup or corn syrup. Then give everything a quick mix before adding 1 egg, stirring thoroughly, and then adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla, the juice and zest of 1 small orange, mix together, before we can start adding the dry ingredients, starting with 6.5 ounces of plain flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger, and half a teaspoon of dry or freshly grated nutmeg. Then carefully combine everything together until you have a soft, sticky dough. Spoon out your mixture onto some cling film before wrapping it up. And chilling in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours and up to overnight. This is a really soft dough, so you need to make sure everything's firmed up before use. Several hours later, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Before removing your chilled firm dough from the fridge. Roll it out to a thickness of around ½ inch. Before using various cutters to cut out your favourite festive shapes. Then just place them onto a lined baking tray and place them into a preheated 170°C or 350°F oven for around 8 to 10 minutes. While our gingerbread's baking, we can make our icing. Into a bowl, mix together around 6 tablespoons of icing sugar with 2 teaspoons of water or milk. Then stir it all together until you have a thick, pipeable icing, adding more sugar or water if needed, until your desired consistency. And then if you wanted to, you could add some festive food colouring. 10 minutes later, you should have some lightly golden gingerbread. Allow them to cool for around 30 minutes before we can begin decorating. You could use a piping bag or a pen, but if you don't have one, all you need to do is roll up a sheet of baking paper, secure it in place, and use it as a piping bag. Then just have fun decorating. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think, or if you end up making these for yourself down in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, check out my cooking playlist for more recipes. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, it really would be greatly appreciated. Leave any suggestions for future recipes you'd like to see down in the comments. Thank you, I hope you have a safe and Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.